Hello everyone. Are you looking for a safe investment alternative to FD and your time horizon is more than 1 year? Then you are at the right place to get the right information. My name is Prasad Simpi and I am your wealth doctor. Before starting the video, please do like us, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular dosage of wealth update which will help you to manage your investment in a better way. Let's start. In March 2020, what happened? There was a severe liquidity issue in the financial system. Okay, that has caused a lot of low credit papers yield shooting up. Okay, in this period, due to credit issues and liquidity issues in a debt market, okay, people started dumping all the low credit papers, credit risk funds and corporate bond funds which are having a lower credit ratings. Okay, so what all has changed in last 3 months? We have to analyze that before building your debt portfolio. In last 3 months, every country in the world across globe, they started infusing the liquidity. In this period, interest rates have also come down sharply everywhere, not only in India. So this has infused the liquidity into the markets, especially debt markets, because this is operated by NBFCs, banking financial systems, where they are the main players to issue debts and buy them and all. Okay, so right now, after this liquidity issue is addressed, the yields are stabilizing. Okay, initially they shot up because of liquidity issue. Yields have shot up, the bond value came down. That actually caused the chaos in the bond market. Everybody started selling because the NAV was going down. But now, since there is a adequate liquidity available in the system, so yields have stabilized. Along with that, bond prices have also stabilized. Okay, so now these two categories makes very good attractive proposition. Why? There is a highest yield spread, okay, in a debt market available in the credit risk segment. Okay, what is yield spread? It is like your risk-free rate of return and above risk. What is the yield you are supposed to get? That spread is higher. The yield is very higher side. Okay, so when you invest in these kind of securities, when things are stable in favor of you, okay, these categories tend to make a good amount of money for your investment. So we got two categories in this. One is credit risk category, one is corporate bond category, because people sold those categories as well aggressively when there was a liquidity and credit issues in the market. So now we got two categories. We'll discuss the third category to build your portfolio, debt portfolio. So in last 1 year, what happened? There was a interest rate keep on coming down, right? When interest rates come down, the long duration bonds the bond value tends to appreciate. They are the main beneficiary of interest rate coming down. So after some time, there might be a interest rate upward movement as well. Okay, so when there is a interest rate movement in the economy, like it is coming down and it is going up, okay, in that time the dynamic bond funds makes very good proposition. Why? When interest rates are coming down, their allocation to long duration bonds increases. When interest rates starts moving up, they reduce the a long duration allocation and increase the short duration allocation, which will not affect much when interest rates starts moving up. Okay, so they are managed dynamically. Okay, so because of which we will be constructing a debt portfolio with dynamic fund as well. Moving on to the fourth category and our last category to build your debt portfolio. As we discussed, the interest rates were coming down, right? the longer duration bond value was moving upside, right? So there is one segment which is medium duration bond, which did not move as expected. When interest rates came down, the medium duration bond expected to go up by 1 rupee, it went up only 20 paisa. Because there was a liquidity issue in the economy, there was a credit issues like DHFL, IIFL, Yes Bank. Okay, so that is the main reason it has not appreciated much, which it's supposed to appreciate when interest rates were coming down. So that makes the second highest yield spread in medium duration bonds. And medium duration bonds are usually having a maturity period of 4 years to 7 years. Okay, so the second highest yield spread is available in medium duration, and that is our fourth category to build our debt portfolio. Okay, so we will start building the portfolio for your investment, for your debt investment, which is alternative to FD. Okay, so as we said, corporate bond is the one segment we are looking into. So in that we have selected HDFC corporate bond. Okay, in this corporate bond fund, there are 126 different holdings and 100% into a AAA and government bonds, AAA related bonds and government bonds. And what is the AUM of this fund? It's a 20,000 crore plus AUM, and it has a modified duration of 3.46 years and yield to maturity is 5.57%. Okay, so moving on to next fund, which is credit risk fund. We are going with ICICI Pru Credit Risk Fund. Okay, as we discussed, credit risk fund is having a highest yield. Okay, spread. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, so 77 holdings are there, a 6,500 plus crore AUM, and higher allocation into AA papers. Since AAA, we have a highest yield spread in these segment, AA and single A, they have a sufficient allocation to AA papers. Okay, the modified duration is 2.19 and yield to maturity is 8.94%. Okay, moving on to next category, dynamic bond. We have selected Kotak Dynamic Bond. There are 26 holdings, 85% into AAA and government bonds. The total AUM of the fund is 1,458 crore with a modified duration of 5.58 and yield to maturity of 6.61. So why they are holding a higher modified duration is, right now interest rates are coming down, they are holding a longer duration bond papers. Okay, once that stabilizes, they'll reduce the longer duration and increase the short duration papers. Okay, moving on to next fund, our last fund. It's SBI medium duration. As I told, the second highest yield spread is available in medium duration. You can see the YTM is 7.12%, modified duration is 3.59%, 59 years, and they hold 55 different bonds. Okay, and total AUM is 3,719 crore. So when we construct, we equally divide your investment into these funds, 25% each. Okay, the overall portfolio's modified duration is coming around 3.70 years and YTM is coming around 7.06%. See, the yield to maturity, when it is saying 7.06% and interest rates are going down in the economy, you can expect 7.25 to 7.5% kind of return out of this portfolio in next 1 to 3 years time frame. Okay, if you hold this portfolio for more than 3 years, you will get the indexation benefit, and yearly the taxation amount will be somewhere around 4 to 5%, not more than 4 to 5%. Okay, if you hold for 3 years with the indexation benefit. Okay, hope this video helped you to build your debt portfolio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so that you get a regular update and more such videos like this. Thanks.